now have a grill. I'm Turner with Secondhand Sailors. This week, we've been gifted a really nice grill. It's a used grill, but they have cleaned it up. It's almost like brand new. And all we had to purchase was a regulator and a gas bottle. The hardest part of all this was just deciding where to put it. And then we realized I can put it anywhere. It installs right here on the rail. I can step back here like it's the back deck. I can move it around to the side rail if I need to. If the wind's blowing that way, I'll put it on the bow rail. Because I am the captain and the grill master. In today's video, I'm going to talk you through the steps we took from carrying it down the dock to putting this on to cook. Let's see what we got. It's a large grill. Looks like we got some extra parts. We got a baton to get the pirates off the boat. They cleaned it up really nice. Looks like we got an extra piece that the gas bottle goes in. Part of your mounting software. And 2 caps. I think we're going to use the clean one.
Absolutely.
We'll put this piece over here for now. And from what I've seen online, it said that you can use that just like to put your pot on to cook.
Oh, cool.
And then if you put this on top of it, and that's when it becomes your grill.
Awesome.
Like that.
I am so excited about this.
And me too.
We have some awesome subscribers, don't we?
Yep. It's refurbished, and a subscriber, a really good friend, gave this to us. It's probably worth $350. All right, we got some pieces and parts. I don't know which one of these will be best, so we'll try one if it works, and we'll have the other one as a spare. And it looks like
we need to go to West Marine.
Yeah, we're probably gonna need a regulator and a gas bottle.
Awesome. Let me go get my purse. We're ready to roll. And we're back at West Marine.
All right, we got the gas bottle. Add to all the rest of the parts. And a brand spanking new regulator for it. We're gonna be cooking in no time.
Yay.
I think this is the only bolt. Look at that. Just like if it was made to be. Alright. So let me get this hooked up on here. And we'll install it. Alright. Remove this stuff. So I've got a little room. And just for the sake of installing, I'm going to install it inboard. So nothing falls overboard. Ooh, that's a big pipe. Probably should have done this on the other side. Nope. All right, get that level. And then on the bottom, this should screw on. Except it's not wanting to screw down. It looks like it's cross-threaded. Ready? It won't turn. It's almost like it's cross-threaded. Houston, we got a problem. Looks like part of this bracket is cross-threaded. Gotta get my good eyes out. Something wrong with the threads. Get up close or anything to it. See, it's so, the threads are so sharp and tight. Just gotta work it a little bit at a time on there. Now it's just went past the burr, whatever it was, I could feel it. Alright. Now, install the piece for the bottle.
This is step 3.
I don't know what step it is. We're gonna call it step almost getting the bottle attached. Alright, and that's good.
So it's okay that it's wiggly like that?
Yeah, it's okay, it's wiggly. But I have to get it onto the rod first, or I'll never get to this. See, it's supposed to, this part's supposed to swing.
Okay.
I mean, the whole thing, you can turn it after it's on. And once again, I'm working this over the boat so nothing falls into the water. Because I will install a dummy cord at some point. Alright, now we want that. That's going to turn however we want it, inboard, outboard, wherever it's going to go. And our gas bottle. Oh. Tighten it down. Good to go. Now we just need our regulator. And they said, I asked somebody that owned one of these, and they said this piece just goes in, kind of locks in like that. You can turn it on and off. And the gas bottle would screw right onto the bottom. And I'm not going to put that on just yet. I'm going to turn this around and get it on the boat. Get the dinghy out of the way. Open this. So I can step out here on the back porch while I'm cooking. You should be able to turn that lid. I don't know if I'm gonna have room. See, it's underneath, but I have to go on top. The trial and error.
I have a question.
Yep.
You said that the whole thing would twist.
The
handle won't twist around.
It will, but the side of the grill is so big. Keep it as level as we can. And I can turn this port this way. Needs a twist here. So what I'll have to do to adjust it is undo this bolt and then level it this way. So alright. Does it look level?
Better than it did.
Huh?
It looks better than it did.
Looks pretty good to me. Put the gas bottle. See, this part's made to come off and on. And you want to hand me the grill top? All right. That part just sits like this. Our cap. It's one there. And these little things lock that grill on top. Looks like. So we're good to go. All we have to do is put the bottle on here with the regulator.
Listen, let me hand you the bottle.
Please. Okay. To make things easy on me, make sure it's off.
He's not allowed to explode anything.
And that looks like it. I just need a lighter because I don't think the striker will work. Oh, it sounds like it. I hear something. I want to be able to see it. Something popping. No. It's trying, but it ain't. So I'm gonna need the lighter.
So you've changed your mind?
Well, I'm gonna see if I can get it lower. It'll give us more room above it, and it'll fix it so that I'm not reaching up trying to cook. But I'm not sure. And that works. Look at that.
Oh yeah.
See? Bypasses,
Yeah.
closes. I'm gonna move it over that way just a little more. And it looks like it might not be that hard to move, taking on and off and leveling around.
Ooh, that moved.
Yeah, that's not tight. All right, that's it. It still hits a little, but not bad right there. And let me see. Look at that. We have fire. We have fire.
Shall I get the sausages?
Bust them out. And all we need now is some meat.
Good job.
This week, I've been given a new title. I'm now Captain Grillmaster. We've been gifted a really nice gift. I don't need that. Ooh. Ooh, yes. Oh, that's what I'm talking about. Do mama some toast. Gotta do it to butter up, huh? Loving life. Got some sausage and toast breakfast. Secondhand sailor style. Thanks again for joining us this week on Secondhand Sailors. If you guys liked any of this content, anything was helpful to you, leave us a like down below and a comment. Until next week, tell your mom and them, turn said hey. Renee lives for you guys' comments. Leave something on there.